Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? It may sound harmless, but the consequences would be catastrophic. In the next 2 minutes, we'll explore how this brief pause would completely change life as we know it. Brace yourself. The Earth rotates at an incredible speed, about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This rotation creates day and night and is crucial for maintaining the planet's balance. But if it suddenly stopped, everything on the surface would keep moving at the same speed, causing unimaginable chaos. If the Earth stopped spinning, everything that isn't anchored to the ground, including buildings, cars, and people, would be thrown eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. It would be like a global-scale car crash, and the result would be devastating. But it doesn't stop there. The Earth's atmosphere would keep moving too, creating super hurricanes with winds stronger than anything we've ever seen. These winds would flatten cities and forests, making survival nearly impossible. The oceans would also be affected. The sudden stop would send massive tidal waves crashing into coastal cities. Tsunamis, unlike any in recorded history, would flood entire continents, wiping out infrastructure and land. Thankfully, the Earth isn't going to stop spinning anytime soon, but it's a reminder of how fragile our planet's balance really is. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about our world and beyond.